I'll make sure I stop smoking for real. And you'll see next year. I'll get an awesome present for you, okay? Gi-hun, I swear.
Next year?
Last year you had a birthday. This one came right around, right? And the next one will be quick.
Is that box for my dad? Know what you could tell him? That I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
Mr.Seong Gi-hun has passed away. Before he died, he left these things for you, Gi-hun.